Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. We are on day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. We're halfway through, so I thought, what better way to celebrate the fact that we're halfway through the 12 days of Christmas than with another cocktail. All you need is a bit of ice. Have here. A thing called a West Coast Cooler. I'll let you get in on that and let's see. And then our old favourite, Captain Morgan's. Right, okay, so, again, really simple, guys. Take your glass. Okay. Some Captain Morgan's. Now, last time I was a bit careful with the measurement. We're only using cups, so I think we'll just go freehand a little bit. Woo! Give that a little mix. And then we're going to top it up with this, okay? Okay, now put a bit more ice in there just to fill it up. There we have what we call, in this house, a gummy bear. Because it tastes like a gummy bear. Right, I'll have to give it a go, I suppose. Oh. That, my friends, is excellent. Again, more of a sippy cocktail as the other one was, the super fish. If you have a good few of these, you'd be calling the ambulance again. Really good. Right, so 6 days in, guys. Cheers, my friends. Hope you're all well. Hope you're having a great Christmas wherever you are. Cheers, guys.